How to clear cache in Chrome, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to this channel, welcome to the digital world. In this channel we are trying to demystify the complexities of digital world by making the simple tech tutorials like this one. So if you're interested, then consider subscribing. Now in order to clear the cache of the Google Chrome, you need to access your settings by clicking these three vertical dots and then clicking the settings. And in the settings you need to click this advanced option, and within the advanced you need to look for the privacy and security. Within the privacy and security you need to come down and you will see the option of clear browsing data, and within that, as you can see, that it is saying that you can clear the history, cookies, cache and more. You need to click that. Here as you can see that you can clear the browsing history by clicking this tick mark, and then the next option is clearing the cookies and other site datas, and lastly there is an option of clear cache images and files. Right now I have around 319 MBs of cache files. And one thing more which you need to keep in mind is that you can select the time range also for clearing this data. Right now it is all the time, meaning by that if I press this clear data, all the browsing history and cookies and cache files will be deleted. But if I want to delete for a specific time, means for the last hour, 24 hours, 1 week or 4 weeks, I can select that also. Once you are sure that you want to do that, you need to just make all these three sections and press clear data, and this is how you would be able to clear the cache for your Google Chrome browser. If you want to see more tutorials on Google Chrome, we have a list of that. You can access that in the end screen cards that will be displayed on the screen shortly. In any case, thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.